Hey folks, Ian Wallace Harper here again, Chatbot Ninja. And again, it's time for a BizStackPro Basics. This one is part 2 of our BizStackPro to MailingBoss and MailingBoss to BizStackPro. This time it's from MailingBoss going to BizStackPro. But we're going to be adding it through Pabbly Connect. Okay, or you can do it with you can do it with Zapier or Make or any of the tools that create zaps. Okay, so first of all, we need to share my screen. And we'll jump in where we left off in Builder or MailingBoss. And let's go that up there. So we got plenty of space. And as I say, we've got testing with now. Excuse me. What we need to do, we need to make a couple of workflows. So you people know more than likely how to create a workflow. So I'm not going to actually do that. I've got two already made, and this one is a sequence of 3 emails. So let's go and have a look at what this is. We'll edit it. And we've got a trigger. Okay. Unsubscribe. So we need to have a look at the triggers. Unsubscribed at any form from BizStackPro list. So if we double click on there, we can have a look at what it is. So the list is BizStackPro and any form. That is the trigger. Update it, and we'll and then it's join the workflow. So anybody who is subscribed to that list will be subscribed to this workflow. So let's go up, and we're going to add an email, send a campaign. First one is send a campaign. Send a campaign. So we're going to have a look for it. So campaign number 1. Obviously, you've got to have these campaigns emails already produced in waiting for you in your builder or email MailingBoss. Campaign, not a sequence. Update it. Then we're going to wait 10 minutes. Or we'll wait a day. We'll just put in a time period. I've chosen 10 minutes because I wanted to test it out. So we got 10 minutes, and we got an update. And then we go to the second email. Again, send a campaign. BizStackPro email number 2. And then await. Now, await could also be in days or hours. Yeah. So we could wait 10 hours or 10 minutes, 10 hours, or we could wait 10 days. or we could change it down to 1 day. But the minimum wait is 10 minutes. The minimum wait is 10 minutes. So we'll leave it at that. And then we got number 3, email number 3. So that's our sequence of emails. And we wait another 20 minutes or whatever day to send a tag. I've said wait 20 minutes, and then we're going to add an email, a tag, email sequence complete. And then we're going to move it to another workflow. We're going to move the this subscriber to another workflow. And this workflow is send data to BizStackPro via Pabbly Connect. Now, we go back to workflows, and we'll take a look at the second one, which is this one. Send data BizStackPro via Pabbly Connect. So we're going to have a look at this, and we're going to have a look at the trigger. Because the trigger this time is a receive tag. Receive tag BizStackPro nurture sequence ended. Or it should have been. Let's go on this one. Yeah, let's go back to that one, the other one, because I forgot to update it. So let's go here to workflows. So we're going to BizStackPro sequence. Edit it. So instead of email tag sequence complete, we are going to say, double click on that one. Instead of workflow, blah, blah, blah. No, sorry, wrong one. We need a tag. Email sequence complete. We're going to add the tag email BizStack. This one. BizStack nurture sequence ended. That's what we're changing. And we're going to say update. So that tag is now going to be there. Sequence ended. Going to that one there to start the workflow. We're going to save it. And we're going to go to workflows. And we're going to go to this one. Now it's congruent. It's going to receive the tag. Receive that tag, and it goes into the workflow. And all it is adding to a webhook. So those are the two. Those are the two workflows that we need to talk to each other. BizStackPro and BuildALot MailingBoss. We'll save it with this webhook is the one that we need, and we're going to get that from Pabbly Connect. But I'm not going to do that just now on this video, because that's end of part 2. We'll do the Pabbly Connect part and MailingBoss part next video. So I'll stop sharing. Again, thank you for listening and thank you for watching. I hope it's helped you so far. We are going to do Pabbly Connect very shortly. But what I would like to do now is hit that bell, hit the subscribe button, and hit the thumbs up. Also, make a comment, please. I'm enjoying reading these comments. So please comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you would like to see for BizStackPro. Here, Wallace Harper, Chatbot Ninja. Signing off until the next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.